Unit 6, Lesson 2, Example 2, the guided practice. For example 2, the guided practice, rotations on the coordinate plane, we're going to graph this parallelogram FGHJ with vertices located at these 4 distinct points, and then we're going to graph its image after rotation. In order to make this happen, we're going to want to set up our coordinate grid. So first step for us is going to be writing our axes. Drawing our axes. Make sure to label them. The horizontal side to side one is X and the vertical up and down one is Y. Now that we've graphed our axes, it's time to graph our points. F is located at 2, 1. G located at 7, 1. H located at 6, -3. And J located at 1, -3. Make sure you label each of your points as you go and then use your straight edge to connect the dots, making our parallelogram. And now it's time to graph the rotation. Make sure that you write your recipe for rotation 180 degrees, which is x, y, maps to -x, -y. This will take your point, F, located at 2, 1, mapping to F prime, -2, -1. G at 7, 1 maps to G prime at -7, -1. H, located at 6, -3 maps to H prime, located at -6, +3. And J, located at 1, -3 maps to J prime, located at -1, +3. Graphing our new points, F prime is at -2, -1, G prime at -7, -1, H prime at -6, +3, and J prime at -1, 3. Using our straight edge, we can create the full straight parallelogram. Thanks so much for watching.